सबकी गिरी हुई है, स्लो है बिजनेस।
चलो जी लाइव जान लगे हैं ऐसे ही।
हाँ मैंने भी साइलेंट। मैं मुझे ना लिंक भेज दें व्हाट्सएप में, मैं ज़रा फॉरवर्ड करूँ लोगों को, ताकि यहाँ पे क्राउड जितना ज़्यादा होगा ना लोग
लेकिन स्टूपिड क्वेश्चन नहीं,
लोगों ने स्टूपिड करने होते हैं। कल कह नहीं रहा था क्यों आपके कमेंट्स बंद होते हैं, that was some random guy.
all right we are live, let's see. All right, welcome guys. Any questions regarding the setup software? I'm here for next 1 hour, 1.5 hour to help you out. That's funny comment. Just the messenger. Do not shoot the messenger. Oh, all right. Okay.
What?
I thought.
Oh, that.
Come on, man.
Oh man.
That's just yes. Favorite movie. Walaikum assalam ji. क्या हाल चाल है?
By the way, you can even people can request to join and come on board while you're doing this, so other people can watch you and spectators. You'll be live together, question answer sessions.
Hello. Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Ji sir.
Yeah, hi. This is Ahmed speaking from your ventilation cleaning, sir.
All right. I got a marketing call while I was marketing, so that's interesting. Would you love to see fan here? There you go. I have a fan. My tattoos. Yeah, you've seen them in videos. So
How many? Oh, we have 12 people.
yeah, I got. Walaikum assalam ji. Any questions about trial? Any questions about what we do, what we teach, how it works? Today was a high impact news market, and oh yeah, that's Usher. All right, great. So we had the CPI data month over month. The data was not that great. Quite a few unemployment claims. Then you had it was better than forecast, and it was why don't I enable? Because I want you to take the effort and send me the message via WhatsApp, via email, via whatever. So my comments is not, it's not, it just takes too much energy to read and respond. So TikTok live is okay. I can respond to your questions here. And I just don't like the comments idea altogether, but whatever. So whether it's Instagram, because it just, for the content creator, it takes a lot of energy to respond to trolls, especially because not everybody's gonna like what the creator has to say about it. So why waste the energy on comments? Right? So, but overall, anybody who traded, our market kind of went to expected high and then ended at expected low. So today, if anybody was shorting or did long trades, perfect on both ends, right? So that was really good. So tomorrow we have again 10 a.m., 8:30 a.m. PPI data. So you have to be very careful. at trading during high impact news. And if you're planning to trade, you should do it approximately 15 minutes after, because it spikes at the beginning. It does spike, so those 15 minutes are difficult, and you cannot predict which way the market is going to go. So yeah, so let me see if I can show the software here somehow.
Screen sharing.
Yeah, gotta figure it out.
I
Because
can
the
check
market
on
is open, and I'm gonna try to open it up right here. 1
Can
second.
you share your screen on
Yeah.
TikTok live?
Yeah, I'm gonna do that right now.
So the next thing you're going to be doing is right here, hit that go live button. Now when you do this, you will then be able to screen
Yeah,
share
and I
what
know.
you're. Yes,
There you go. So I'll
you're
do.
able to. You did?
Yeah, I'm going to do that.
Perfect.
I'm going
Market
to
is
show
open. 6
my
o'clock.
screen live. Market is open, and MES. I will do an MES trade live with you guys to see how my entry is. That's a 60-minute chart. Give me a second, guys. I'm gonna. So 15. Okay, there you go. So there you go. Market has opened, and let me. I'm gonna end the live and let me see if I can add a source while it's live. Um, green window capture and add. And so 15:10 show cursor.
Are you doing MES or yeah?
Okay, so let's remove the link. Let's remove the goal.
Eventually, yes.
Yes, sure, no problem. Any questions you have, just ask me. Because I have a lot of videos that I gotta upload. So I gotta let me disable the goal, let me disable this, and just try to figure it out how can I do this for you guys. Alright. So perhaps this I need. 14 days trial, there are no fees, so actually just give us a try and you'll be able to. This is what we call a 1410 chart.
गोल्ड के बारे में बताएं. Someone wants to know about the gold.
Gold, yeah, I can look at a chart and I can kind of see which, because our areas, we don't do long-term deer. We do just in and out within for few day trading. So day trader doesn't care long-term thing, but it's pretty low right now. So you can pick up. It should go back up, but overall, market consensus is. So after 14 days, no, it's too long for us to predict that, because in a day trading, you have to do everything pretty quick in terms of in and out, make like change $4 or $5. So this is the current. I don't think that's gonna work. Yeah. So
you should be able to do it now easily.
There you go. So let me bring in a dome as well. So let's bring in. Let's do a trade. Let me do a 30-20 chart. So Mad Max, and I can do a share. Okay, good. So let's add a source, which is going to be window capture. Good. And I will do it on a 30-20 chart. And show cursor and add source. 30, 20 max. 15, 10 is there. Let's do 30, 20. 30, 20. I cannot see 30, 20 here. This. 15, 10. I'll bring the dawn here. Move. Let me try to get the dawn in here. So this is MES, and I will do a screen share, add source, window capture, send to portrait, and super dawn, super. There you go. You guys can see the dawn here. I will do this here. $10 a day. So it's after 14 days is $10. It's not the teaching fee, it's software subscription fee. So the software, you're seeing all these indicators and everything. So it's $10 a day after. So as long as you keep using our software, you just pay $10, and that's all there is to it. There's nothing else that you have to worry about it. So, connect to my account. Live.
Ask them if they can see your screen properly. Tell them to let us know in the comments.
You guys can see my screen, right? It should be loading data on 1510 chart, and then you have the dawn, my photo. So if I'm gonna do a long here, I'm gonna do it from which 1510. I'm gonna do it from 3020, 44, 85, 30 to do a. So I'm gonna set a order for 45, 80, 30. And let's pull the down. Let's do 45, 80. Let's do a long trade.
Order pending.
And I'll do a 3-point stop loss, 85. So 82 would be my stop loss.
Order pending.
That's it. So when it comes down, does a retrace, I should be able to get in, and that's it. That would be my long trade. So my mid-band line, let me change the colors to my mid-band line. So it should show you on a, I can go properties, I can go midline down, midline up. So let's do 10. And let's do 10 for even here. So let's do 10 and 10. So if you see, the big line is right now here, 44.85 right here, right? So that's your entry point. So this line between the upper guard and the lower guard, all you gotta do is just simply watch this line, and it's pretty dynamic. People ask me what your signals are. I'm like, no signals. So my stop loss is set as 44. Yes, I can actually bring my mid band to 44. Yeah, it's 44.85 is my entry point, and if the trend goes against me, I'll 3-point stop loss. That's it. So that's how simple this is. Not seeing anything. Are you able to see something? I should be. Just white, but my charts are kind of working. So
You have to maximize your screen. By the way, please. Bring your cursor here.
No.
Go back. Go back to TikTok.
Let me see.
Now bring your cursor here.
Yeah.
Then click this.
They should be able to see something.
Awesome.
Where's the?
You cannot have the comment section.
Is it okay now?
There is white screen on the channel.
You guys don't see.
There's this.
Oh no. Okay, I understand this. Okay. So, but if you're doing landscape mode, I think you can turn.
Ask Shakil if he can see the chart now.
Yeah, but he's watching it on the phone on the land. Maybe if you go. Yes. Then you'll get the DOM and everything. There you go. So right now the trend on 1510 is an uptrend, and the entry is the mid-band line that's going through it, and so your entry should be at. So the way I've set it up is right here. It should be simple because market is not going to move. There's no volume. If I was doing FTAX right now, you'll have volume. So what I've done is I'll hold the DOM, I'll go down. It's a live trade. 44.85 is my entry because that's the mid-band price is. And my stop loss is 3 points. So I have a stop loss set at. Yes, you can learn to trade. Just send me a WhatsApp message. I'll set you up with our 14-day trial program, and that's it. It's pretty easy. Everybody that we know of, we tell everybody can join and trade. This is not complicated. We have made the trading and analysis much easier for everybody. So if you've never traded before, heck, I have a claim. If you've never actually sent like an email, you've never done, if you've never opened a computer ever, you're just gonna look at a few colors. Like background color is green, it means trend is up. Background color is magenta, so that I believe you gotta play with the DOM right here, and you set up your strategies right here. So, for example, your stop loss should be number of ticks, right? So, so if your stop loss is 12 ticks and profit should be 8 ticks, so 2 points, profit is 12 ticks, and test it on simulation. Let me go and test this on the simulation. So if I pick up the price right now on a long,
Order filled.
automatically that's my my order got filled on a simulation. I'm not doing a live trade. Yes, you have no experience, no problem. We have people who have never touched the computer before. So my stop loss is set at 44, at 12 ticks, and my profit is set at. So with this, if you do active strategy, custom right here, so you can do, okay, quantity of 1, you can do 12, 13, whatever, right? And so I normally work with 3-point stop loss from mid-band, whatever the mid-band price is. And then you have a target. You can do trailing, and you can do lots of good stuff, right? So auto trail, number of tricks. So as it goes up, you make your money, right? So it all depends on, because there's let me switch to let me close this trade. It's
Target filled.
so let's do micro Nasdaq. So I think it'll move a little bit faster. I think the charts are micro Nasdaq. Let me switch to MNQ. So 1 second. So micro Nasdaq 3020, 1510. I'm gonna do reload all historical data. Green. Because at night, it's gonna move pretty slow. I'm gonna bring that back here. That's such a. So whether you have never traded or you're trading all the time, no problem. So that's my sell limit. 1527, yeah. So this is my entry, 44. My limit order is 44.45, so it's approximately at a mid band right here. So this is the mid band line. Go and change the mid line up, line down. Let's change that to 10 so you can see. Give me 1 second. 10, apply. There you go. So midline right now is 44.85, 3-point stop loss. So that's it. You can then move. So I go here. You can move the stop loss up or down, however you like. If you're not, let's fill it.
Order filled.
Fill. It's a long trade, and that's it. I hope I didn't go live.
He's live.
I think I went accidentally on live. My thing. I'm gonna close the trade. My stop loss is at the bottom.
How are you?
Order filled.
So let's do it on sim.
Order filled.
9.
Can you WhatsApp us which number you call from? Because 1 second.
Hello.
Hello. Hi.
Hi.
Yes. Hi. हाँ जी हाँ जी ਉੱਥੋਂ ਹੀ ਗੱਲ ਕਰ ਰਹੇ ਹਾਂ हाँ जी हाँ जी हाँ जी हाँ जी ਪੂਰਾ ਕੋਰਸ ਹੈ ਜੀ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਪਹਿਲੇ ਇਦਾਂ ਕਰੋ ਨਾ ਤੁਹਾਡਾ ਐਕਸਪੀਰੀਅੰਸ ਹੈ ਟ੍ਰੇਡਿੰਗ ਦਾ ਕੋਈ ਅੱਛਾ ਨੋ ਪ੍ਰੋਬਲਮ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਪੂਰਾ ਜ਼ੀਰੋ ਤੋਂ ਅਸੀਂ ਪੂਰਾ ਕੋਰਸ ਸੈੱਟ ਕਰਾਂਗੇ ਤੇ ਦੈਨ हाँ जी ਤੁਹਾਡਾ ਪੂਰਾ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਇਦਾਂ ਕਰੋ ਨਾ ਇਸ ਨੰਬਰ ਤੇ ਨਾ ਮੈਨੂੰ WhatsApp ਕਰੋ ਠੀਕ ਹੈ WhatsApp ਮੈਸੇਜ ਭੇਜੋ ਤਾਂ ਕਿ ਮੈਂ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਕੁਝ ਇਨਸਟਰਕਸ਼ਨ ਭੇਜਾਂਗਾ ਕੁਝ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਡਾਊਨਲੋਡ ਕਰਨਾ ਹੈ ਫਿਰ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਡਾਊਨਲੋਡ ਕਰਕੇ ਕੁਝ ਵੀਡੀਓਜ਼ ਦੇਖ ਲਓ ਅਗਰ ਤੇ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਸਮਝ ਆਉਂਦੀ ਹੈ ਉਸ ਵੀਡੀਓਜ਼ ਦੀ ਕਿ ਅਸੀਂ ਕੀ ਐਕਸਪਲੇਨ ਕਰ ਰਹੇ ਹਾਂ ਫਿਰ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਸਬਸਕ੍ਰਾਈਬ ਕਰ ਸਕਦੇ ਹੋ ਪਹਿਲੇ ਸਭ ਤੋਂ ਪਹਿਲਾ ਇੰਪੋਰਟੈਂਟ ਸਟੈਪ ਹੈ ਕਿ WhatsApp ਭੇਜੋ ਮੈਂ ਕੁਝ ਇਨਸਟਰਕਸ਼ਨ ਭੇਜਦਾ ਫੀਸ ਵਗੈਰਾ ਸਾਰਾ ਕੁਝ ਉਸ ਤੋਂ ਬਾਅਦ ਕਰਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਹਾਂਜੀ
This guy has a problem. His charts.
ਹਾਂਜੀ ਹਾਂਜੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਦੇਖੋ ਫॉर हाँ हाँ ਹਾਂਜੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਅਸੀਂ ਟ੍ਰੇਡ ਨਹੀਂ ਕਰਵਾਉਂਦੇ ਅਸੀਂ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਹੈ ਨਾ ਕੋਈ ਵੀ ਇਦਾਂ ਦਾ ਕੰਮ ਨਹੀਂ ਕਰਦੇ ਜਿੱਦਾਂ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਲਾਈਵ ਸਿਗਨਲ ਜਾਂ ਕੁਝ ਭੇਜੀਏ ਨਥਿੰਗ ਲਾਈਕ ਦੈਟ ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਟ੍ਰੇਡ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਖੁਦ ਕਰਨਾ ਹੈ ਅਕਾਊਂਟ ਤੁਹਾਡਾ ਆਪਣਾ ਹੈ ਬੈਂਕ ਅਕਾਊਂਟ ਆਪਣਾ ਹੈ ਬ੍ਰੋਕਰ ਆਪਣਾ ਹੈ ਅਸੀਂ ਸਿਰਫ ਸੌਫਟਵੇਅਰ ਦੀ ਸਬਸਕ੍ਰਿਪਸ਼ਨ ਲੈਂਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਸੌਫਟਵੇਅਰ ਅਸੀਂ ਵੇਚਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਨਾ ਉਹਦੀ ਮੰਥਲੀ ਫੀ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਹੈ ਯੂਜ਼ ਕਰਨ ਦੀ ਤੇ ਪਹਿਲੇ 14 ਡੇ ਦਾ ਟ੍ਰਾਇਲ ਫ੍ਰੀ ਹੈਗਾ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਡਾਊਨਲੋਡ ਕਰੋ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਟੈਸਟ ਕਰੋ ਤੇ ਅਗਰ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਟ੍ਰੇਡਿੰਗ ਦੀ ਫਿਰ ਉਤੋਂ ਨੋ ਹਾਊ ਸਮਝ ਆਉਂਦੀ ਹੈ ਫਿਰ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਉਹਦੀ ਸਬਸਕ੍ਰਿਪਸ਼ਨ ਲੈ ਸਕਦੇ ਹੋ ਹਾਂਜੀ ਉਸ ਸਬਸਕ੍ਰਿਪਸ਼ਨ ਦੀ ਫੀ ਹੈਗੀ ਹੈ $10 ਡੇਲੀ that's it there is no other fees there is nothing so end of the month it's no more than $300 a month ਹਾਂਜੀ ਕੋਈ ਇਹਦੇ 'ਚ ਹੋਰ ਹਿਡਨ ਚਾਰजेस ਨਹੀਂ ਹੈ ਕੋਈ ਕੋਰਸ ਫੀਸ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੈ as long as you use the software it's $10 daily that's it हाँ जी ਹੋਰ ਕੁਝ ਵੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੈ ਤੇ ਇਸੇ ਵਾਸਤੇ ਮੈਂ ਕਹਿੰਦਾ WhatsApp ਕਰ ਦਿਓ ਅਗਰ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਇੱਧਰ ਟੋਰਾਂਟੋ 'ਚ ਹੈ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਸਾਡੇ ਆਫਿਸ ਆ ਸਕਦੇ ਹੋ ਦੇਖ ਸਕਦੇ ਹੋ ਕਿਸੇ ਹੋਰ ਪ੍ਰੀਵੀਅਸ ਕਸਟਮਰ ਨਾਲ ਗੱਲ ਕਰਨੀ ਹੈ ਵੀ ਕੈਨ ਹੈਲਪ ਯੂ ਆਊਟ ਨੋ ਪ੍ਰੋਬਲਮ ਹਾਂਜੀ तो नो प्रॉब्लम WhatsApp करो तो मैं तुम्हें डिटेल्स भेज देना ठीक है नो प्रॉब्लम ओके ओके नो प्रॉब्लम ओके इसका मैं हल बताता हूँ do this close ninja and delete db folder from docs 28 and it will work yeah it is there yeah $10 a day
This guy is having a serious issue. He
No.
exited and his charts.
yeah it's okay I just told them
Did you?
yeah I just explained it so yes that is $10 a day and generally some people get discouraged that hey I just want everybody to try and then let me know how it is
That's simulation profit.
yeah it's completely
So
simulation
let them know.
yeah this is simulating I picked up a long trade it's moving like snail at this moment after hours so market is open 23 hours now the volume will come when European station Eurasia Australasia all of those guys are going to come in then there will be a bit of a volume right so what I did was I picked up the momentum that's wrong you have to pick it up from right it's Canadian dollars if you're in Canada it's plus HST outside of there's no HST there's no tax
ओके सिम कार्ड एक्टिवेट नहीं किए तो आप ही कह रहे हैं कि वो 10 चार्ज कर रहा तो बंटी को कॉल
okay
करके
ठीक no problem that's fine
सॉरी
no problem so
चलो मैं निकल रहा हूँ I'll see you at 9 a.m. in the morning
5 6 all right let's see which number I get
we only gave 2 for now
yeah good enough that's all we need cool
That thing is happening on WhatsApp.
no nothing did you trade today
$50
that's
Fixed
good
trade.
that's good so guys any questions
Very
all
nice.
together what is happening on the screen
No, I'm just going home
So,
my phone is
if-
ready
this is the depth of market on Ninja Trader. When you do micro, it's not that interesting. Let's see if you, when you do micro, when you do S&P,
Order filled.
each tick is $12.50. So in this game, you have to understand one thing: is all traders in the world are just doing one job. Whether you're doing stocks, whether you're doing options, forex, crypto, futures, your job as a trader is just to predict. Sure, I'll go through after that. So your job right now, any time you're trading, is just to predict the price is gonna go up or price is gonna go down. Either you do it on cash value, which is options and stocks, or you're gonna do futures, which is fraction to what you need to invest. So any given time when you're making below. So of course, do we take a, so what I'm trying to explain is, so when you're predicting the price is going to go up, you put a long trade. So I have a price of a product, $200, and I'm predicting it's going to go up. I put a long trade. And then I have a target and I have a loss, stop loss. So stop loss is if the price goes against me few points, I'll close the trade. My computer will close the trade. Or if the price is, if I'm in a short trade, I'm predicting the price is going to go down. Where you do it, and right now I'm in a long simulation, long trade. I'm in micro of S&P 500 right here. So which moves like I'm up $7.50, and I am in ES at $37. See how easy it is to make money in this game. In a volume day, you can do like $62. There you go, $100, 5 clicks, 5 minutes. See, the problem is most humans are wired to work, and they're wired in like since we started to get paid by an employer, is you work a certain amount of hours and that's when you get paid. So you define a value, meaning how much your value is.
75 points.
$100 an hour, $25 an hour, 12. So governments put a minimum wage to your hourly. That's now how I look at earnings daily. You should decide how much you want to earn if you're self-employed, and that is the only business, guys, that's going to give you this kind of freedom. Because trading, what's the name of this trading system? This is our custom software written for Ninja Trader. So what you have sitting here is a futures market. So I'm trading futures market, S&P 500 contract for September 23rd, right here. You can do BTC even. See, let's look at Bitcoin. So Bitcoin, if I switch to Bitcoin, let's see if the chart is gonna load to Bitcoin. So it's a Ninja Trader. I don't have free Bitcoin right here. Let me see if Bitcoin loads up. Yeah, Bitcoin price 949. So let's do a market Bitcoin.
Order filled.
So Bitcoin, if it goes up from here, I'll make. What is your? Yeah, it's Canadian dollars, dear. It's Canadian. $10 a day is Canadian dollars, right? So so the idea is this is the fastest way to make easy income, and sometimes you're gonna feel like, hey, how can I? There you go. Price is going up for S&P 500. If I go here, so there you go. In a matter of, I didn't even pick it up from mid band. So I just did chase the momentum from 44.89. Mid band was down here. So you look at your chart of 1510, right? So I'm gonna come to 1510, and you are looking at it right here. So this is like, you have the upper band, the two lines. You have the lower band, and in between there is a dynamic line that's called the mid band. So the mid band is the price. If you're going along, when the moment the trend changes, you're gonna enter from the mid band. So what's the price for this software? Is 14-day completely free, 100% free. You try it. It's full software. There's no limitation. And then you go ahead and do this $10 a day Canadian, so $300 a month is subscription for this software, right? So you do a long trade here, right here, 44.85 is basically that's how you enter, and put a stop loss of 3 points. So if trend goes against you, you simply exit. So every time there's a reversal, that's when you enter. So you don't, like today was a high volume day in terms of let me change the number of bars so you can go in the back, and I'm gonna go right here, data series, and I'm gonna change it to 1,000 bars so I can see more data starting this morning. So 1,000 bars. So let's go back and let's go in the morning, 3 o'clock, 2 o'clock. See right here, trend change, first reversal, second, third, 3 mid bands came to you right here. Trend change, mid band right here. So trend change, first one right here. Trend change, nothing, because trend change again. So you gotta, every time your trend changes, the first reversal. So it's an algo trading. It's not a bot. It's not an automated trading. So you still have to trade for yourself. You can do custom strategies, but you still have to trade, because the signal, my midline is giving you live price, where to enter, where to exit. So it all comes with the manual. It comes with everything you need to learn. See here, trend change, but no retrace. So leave it. Trend change, and this is your first pullback. This is your second pullback. So every time trend changes, you should actually enter the trade. So right here, trend change. So you gotta, right now, if I were to do a trade right now, so I would enter at 44. Now the mid-band price is changing, so I would move it up a little bit. But already, because I knew the trend is gonna go up, S&P is all, those things you can pick it up. So that's what the idea is. It went as high as 72. So don't chase it. Once you know your 2-point target, close it. So otherwise price could go. So 1510, we have 2 time frames. We have a 15 and we have a 30. So that's how the trend. You cannot buy it, dear. You can only license it per month. We don't sell it, the software. So you have to buy the subscription of it. You can buy the subscription for this. So so basically 1510 is one. We have so many charts that come with it. So idea is following. The idea is that normal trader is using trading view to analyze data, right? And idea is that you are calculating everything yourself, and by the time you're ready for trade, unless you're experienced trader, you're gonna miss that bot. $300 Canadians per month, so $10 a day Canadian, less than Starbucks if you drink Starbucks every day, because I think Starbucks is $12 by the time you're done. So cheaper than 80%. So test it out. 14 days free. Success rate. I want you to just test out the strength. I have 9 indicators running. So rather than you doing the hard work, for new trader, best tool. For professional trader, it's an amazing tool just to have it on a second screen and just kind of you can just add it to your like ammunition, that you have another powerful tool. So if you've been already trading with a lot of different algos, no problem. Try our algo a chance too. And if new trader, we kept just colors in mind. Green color to go up, red color to go down. Look at the mid price, enter. 3-point stop loss, exit. So do every trend change, first retrace is your entry point first. So that's all you gotta do. And when you're up a couple of points, so it's all hit and run. You can then do position trading, you can do trend trading, swing trading, time based, like anything is possible. But for an average user who wants to make a couple $100 a day, this tool will give you yes, no problem, dear. That's it. That's $50. Like I said, man, we've been sitting here for what, 10, 20, 30 minutes, and you're gonna see easy. As long as it works for everything. It works for forex, crypto. As long as the data is coming into your feed by your broker, and it works on Ninja Trader, you're fine. So there is no other thing at all. So there you go. Perfect. Good to hear that you're adding this as a extra tool to your $10 a day, dear. Canadian, $10 Canadian a day. So $80 no, $8 a day for US maybe, or 7, something like that. The 225 US per month is our software. Comes with all the videos, comes with your, so it's paid by month. You can cancel anytime. You don't have to buy the lifetime license, and it'll make your job a lot easier. So anybody who's experienced trader, just add this tool to your to portfolio. Anybody who's a new trader should test out the software, exactly that, how it is, how powerful it is, and it'll make your trading much. Windows, you will need Windows 10 or 11 with at least 16 gigabytes of RAM. So for example, let's take a look at what is happening for Bitcoin. So Bitcoin, you can use this. Bitcoin, again, everything you gotta buy is from midband. So whatever instrument you have, so your entry, I think I was supposed to chart of 1510 on bigger time frame. It's a retrace, so I should do a short. So make sure both charts are green, and then you can enter the trade. So I'll do a close
Order filled. Order filled.
short trade.
That's for Bitcoin?
Yeah, this is for Bitcoin. So this is right now for crypto. So you can do crypto, you can do forex, you can do anything in here, right? So ES. So see, it went as high as like $75. You should have closed the trade or trail your profits. So you take your stop loss down here. Yeah, let me see if I have a stop loss. So 89.50, 86.50 should be my stop loss. So that is
order pending.
If my trend goes against me from midline, your stop loss is gonna hit, and that's it. That's the cost of operating. So if you are It's like driving a car or an Uber. So $50 you gotta pay. So you make some, you lose some. So if you do 10 trades, 8 will be successful from mid-band. The other ones do through strength on RSI on 30-20, overbought, oversold. So this live software is giving you at least 10 to 11 indicators, and you just pick your favorite indicator to use, right? So yeah, so try it. Like, I understand, just this is not a bot. This is a very complex piece of software. Like on this how many months till until, like, you can use for 1 month and end it. The subscription goes on for life. If you want to keep using the tool, you keep paying, like keep making the payment. After a year, generally you can buy the lifetime license. We will give you a discounted price on the lifetime license, so you don't have to keep monthly. But the idea is, if you're trading, you want to use it, it's $10 a day Canadian, and that's it. They'll make it beneficial. If some people don't trade all, so they can go 1 month, take a break for 2 months. PayPal or TransferWise is fine for UK users. You can send us. So the idea is, it just helps you make a better predictor. Without this tool, if you're not using any bots, or you're blind. So that's pretty much in terms of. Give me a second, guys. I got a missed call. So 1 second. Because I'm taking questions on the phone as well, right? So live questions. जी सर, ठीक ठाक जी, कुछ सुनाओ।
सर आपको मैंने मैसेज किया था।
हाँ जी, हाँ जी।
वो आपको मैंने देखा था यार, एक्स्ट्रा और
हाँ, टिकटॉक पे देखा होगा जी। हाँ जी,
हाँ जी, ये सब क्या हिसाब किताब है जी? क्या
सर, आपका है ट्रेडिंग का एक्सपीरियंस है पहले?
नहीं सर जी।
नो प्रॉब्लम। आप इधर आ जाएं ऑफिस में, मैं आपको सारा एक्सप्लेन कर देता हूँ, या हमें व्हाट्सएप करें, मैं सारी डिटेल भेज देता हूँ।
व्हाट्सएप किया हुआ है?
हाँ जी, नहीं फिर किस नंबर से आपने? हाँ, अभी किया है 5751, राइट? सो अभी या अभी मैं आपको 1 मिनट में सारी इंफॉर्मेशन भिजवाता हूँ।
इसमें कैसे है थोड़ा? ऑफिस किधर है आपका?
मैं ये हाईवे 7 वेस्टर्न पे हूँ, इधर हाईवे 7 वेस्टर्न पे, वुड ब्रिज में। मैं एड्रेस भी भेज देता हूँ उसके अंदर। नहीं, इधर टोरंटो में। अच्छा, नो प्रॉब्लम। तो आपको इन्फॉर्मेशन भेज देते हैं सारी व्हाट्सएप में। ये सारा आपने सॉफ्टवेयर इंस्टॉल करना है अपने कंप्यूटर पे, और उसकी सारी ट्रेनिंग वीडियोस और कोर्सेज सब भेज देता हूँ। तो फिर आप उसको, हाँ सर, देखें, आपने इसको डाउनलोड करना है, इंस्टॉल करना है, 4 वीडियोस देखनी है, दैट्स इट। उसमें और कुछ भी नहीं है। तो फिर आपको अकाउंट खुलवाना, सारा कुछ वो हम बाद में करेंगे कि ब्रोकरेज कौन सी लेनी है फ्यूचर्स की, बैंक कहाँ खोलना है। अभी आपको हम सिमुलेशन ट्रेड करवाते हैं, हम आपको बिल्कुल पेपर ट्रेडिंग करवाते हैं, और उसके बाद फिर जाके उस पर वो करते हैं स्लोली। जब आप रेडी हो जाओ, पक्के हो जाओ, तो हम ये एक्सपेक्ट करते हैं कि बाय मंथ 2 में आप रेडी हो जाओगे ट्रेडिंग के लिए। तो अभी आपको भेजी है, उसको स्टडी कर लो, देख लो, कुछ रिक्वायरमेंट्स हैं तो भेज देता हूँ। नो प्रॉब्लम। कोई भी क्वेश्चन हो हमें टिकटॉक लाइव पे पूछ लें। अभी मैं एक वो कर रहा हूँ, आपकी टिकटॉक लाइव करता हूँ डेली। कोई क्वेश्चन हो, यू कैन आस्क मी, नो प्रॉब्लम। ठीक है, ओके जी, थैंक यू। So how do I think we answered that already. PayPal or TransferWise is basically what platform this is used. NinjaTrader. So platform is NinjaTrader. You don't have to use Ninja for trading actual trades, live trades. You can put this on one computer and trade on MetaTrader. You can trade on Binance. You can trade anywhere. Some people strictly use the indicators on this platform, and they just keep renewing the data, or they have a data feed coming in like barchart.com and few others, and then they make the trades on the other. So this is futures market. You can use this, check the spread, and put it on the cash market, no problem. You can do the stocks, option, crypto, forex, index, Anything is possible. The idea is just to kind of test it, right? So that's where you send me a message. I'll reply back with a bunch of instructions, and that's it. That's all you gotta do.
Trades.
Sorry?
Let's check the
Yeah,
trades.
let's see. I think it's up to $50 because again, market is the idea is now I'll show you how to do the trailing. So you would, I am up 4 ticks, 1 point. I'll pick up this stop loss and I'll move it here. So now nobody in the world can take $25 away from me. Nobody, because my stop loss has to be before. So let's say you wanted to enter at 44.89, right? So as it's moving, I'm moving too. I am now trailing. Nobody can take 37.50 from me ever. So as it's raising, you go one more up. There you go. $50 is confirmed. 100% confirmed. And so this is called trailing the stop, right? So you start. Basically, it should fill anywhere if it comes down. So the idea is, so you put your stop loss in, and if you're after 2 points, so your stop loss should be 3 points from midline, and then above as it goes. So your current price and your order price, there is a gap. So you gotta move the stop loss between the gaps, so it's guaranteed. But you can't do it 2 ticks. You gotta do at least 2 ticks behind, otherwise it will like quickly grab in and close your order. So the stop losses have to be a little bit further from the actual price. So it's like it'll ignite break. There you go, it's going up. So now you can move up. I would normally like to have a 2 tick distance personally. So when it moves to 91.25, I will move 1 tick up. So as it's ticking up, you can tick up, right? So that's the benefit of, you can trail this and look at the upper band, and you can trail this for as long as you like, no problem. And generally price reversal will come at a 15-10 upper band when it will break the higher, if it's a higher high. So you can actually predict which way it's gonna go, right? So now I have locked 1 full point, $50, 100%. You can hit close market now. So, but the idea is now your profit is locked. 100% is locked. So you can use the trailing for your advantage, right? So that's the benefit of it, right? So. So perfect. So see, now it's gonna hit my stop loss. So now same stop loss has become a profit trail, right?
Order filled.
There you go. So now $50 has been confirmed, right? So that's your benefit of stop loss and everything, right? So let me take a look at 44.90 and how far it's gonna go. So any other questions you can ask me. The trend you do against the trade against the trend you have to do when the strength is max. So your RSI today was on a high impact news day. It was purely based on strength. So when every time it went up and down, you were able to do this, make money, right? Can you send me the latest ID of Ninja machine ID? Machine ID is required. Today the volume, I think most likely people are at work or you're driving, and so I'm gonna try to do these TikToks maybe perhaps a little bit different time. No, I don't know what would be the best time. 9 p.m.
9 p.m. That's when everyone is just chilling.
chilling and asking, but maybe 11 p.m. even later.
That's when the market is
Yeah,
super
market
fast.
is gonna move probably around 11
11
o'clock. We
o'clock.
can do.
You can go back live again. This
Yeah.
is the best way. You can the way you're doing it today.
Yeah. So
Is
I can teach live, no problem. So I'll do a few live trades with you guys to show you our software, no problem. And there's no risk to try it. 14 days. Just have Windows thing live. I'm on live. I'm doing question and answers. So now every day we will go live for as long as you guys need it, especially the new newcomers who are trying the trial software. So
yeah, go on TikTok. Can you check?
I think that's his username. Maybe he doesn't.
No, Wealth Enterprise.
So yeah. So can you turn sideways? I want to see if it changes.
Yeah. Yes.
There you go. See, that's a little.
You can tell them if they're watching it from.
Yeah, if you're watching it in portrait mode, if you turn around, you'll probably see my
better view.
charts much more cleaner. So, see, it's not that I like to brag about my software, but it is pretty powerful. Like a lot of research and a lot of energy hours have gone behind it. So it's not something that is.
Please WhatsApp.
Yeah.
I'm out.
All right.
Yeah.
Take care. So I'll cover everything. Just answer as they come in.
Yeah, absolutely. And then just let.
All right.
Let Ata know for the draft.
Sure.
You can make an entry.
No. That's from Ashar. Yeah.
Oh, Ashar.
No problem. Let's update your Windows key.
I think there's something wrong with my laptop. It's blinking when I go on
That's
Ninja
not-
Trader.
Only on Ninja?
Yeah, only on Ninja.
Should
I have
target profit. Give it a month. So that's why 14-day trial for free and 1 month on simulation demo account, and then you will see the power of it. So as long as you follow direction, don't let emotions come in, don't let greed come in, don't let your impulsive trading come in. So approximately 30 days, 21 days of trading, and you should be able to do the target based. All right.
Okay.
So you should be able to do target based profit of start with $100 a day and then go from there. So 1 month, 21 days of trading, it'll give you some. 1 year you can do 1,000 a day, no problem. It will give you full 1 year cycle. My personal is I trade on S&P 500 futures. So you get up in the morning, you look at the news. If there's high volume news, then you take a look at if there are any earnings, and then step by step you look at 1510, you look at your areas, and every mid band just do an entry. If you're doing shorting or going long, no problem. Okay, I'm gonna answer these calls shortly. 1 second. You don't have to be on screen all the time. Like 90 days in a day should be able to get you a couple of $100 a day. 90 minutes in the morning between 9:30 a.m. or 8:30 a.m. Eastern time to 11 a.m. Your target should be done. And if you met your target, close system, go home. That's it. It's not. If you're already home, do something else. Of course, you need to. Of course, you have doubts. Of course, that's why we have 14 days. There should be zero issues to try the trial. You just need Windows, 16 gig of RAM, and try it. It's not gonna cost you a dime. You don't like it, just delete the folder. That's it. Nothing else. There's no risk to try, because unfortunately there's a lot of scam in this industry, so you're just not sure exactly who's selling what, right? So are you able to ask in live TikTok right now so I can show you on my screen? It comes with videos. It comes with everything. It comes with all the manual. So there's 5 videos and we'll teach you the basics. And I have videos. There's only 2 beginner traders, newborn traders in this world. When in this industry, just need to use 2 indicators. Look at the background color. Number 1. So the way to do it for a beginner trader is as follows. Get up in the morning, look at the news, scheduled news. Forex Factory, as the videos gives you instructions. Forex Factory, sort it to, if you're doing trading on S&P 500, so Forex Factory, filter USD, and then high impact news and medium impact. For example, today was the CPI data, even margins got increased. Look at the news. Number 2, look at earnings, because earnings are important in especially S&P 500 and Nasdaq. If there are any earnings scheduled at what time, don't trade that during that time, depending on your instrument. Number 3, go and check the area. So for example, log into superareas.com and look at the current price. So right now it's 44.90. So you've looked at the ladder, and we've given you AI generated ladder. So it's, if it opens, goes above, so we've given you all the stops along with it, R1, R2, S1, S2, high and low and everything. So everything is pre-configured for you to use. You don't have to analyze anything. We are doing the hard work for you. Our software is doing everything. Moving averages, strength, Bollinger Band, midline, upper line, like large triggers, small triggers, everything is done for you. Just follow the instructions. So for example, right now, take a look at 15-10 chart and take a look at 30-20 charts. As long as both charts are green, that would be a long trade. From where? So A, B, and C. A is your trend. The trend is bullish, right? Number 2, what is your what type of trade? So when trend is green, when the trend is up, simply the type of trade is long trade, or buy trade, sell later. Number 3, from where? Mid-band. Mid-band is your best risk to reward ratio, and it's dynamic and it's changing. And number 4, D, is stop loss of 3 points from mid-band line, and that's it. So A, B, C, D. You can add E or F, whatever, but A is trend, B is what type of trade, so it would be long trade. C is from where, it would be mid-band, and just set your 2-point target at that time and set your 3-point stop loss. That is all you have to do. And you say, all right, so I'm in a trade, so look at the current trend and try to do it after the trend change, first reversal, so first retrace. So as the software says, our video says, right now you're in a swing. So you have a swing, you had a retrace, then you have another swing right now. So it does work. Just test it. Until you test it, you can't. You have to speak with it with conviction that it is. It's very powerful software at your disposal. Like, some of you may not realize how powerful it is, but we'll just. It's not for long trading. This is for day trading, and it is swings and trend and hit and run, and just scalping a few points here, because end of the day, a trader just wants to make money, right? And when they, like for us, 2-point target is what we set. and you can trail your profits until the trend changes, and that's it. So 2 points on S&P 500 mini is $100, right? So you opened it up, you quickly went in, you made your $100, close your computer, you're done. Subscription will pay in 3 days itself out of 21 days of trading. As long as, again, my software can do everything. What it will not do is it will not teach you discipline. It will not teach you how to control your emotions. It'll do everything for you. So right now, again, this powerful software is doing roughly about 9 to 11 things right now. I can tell you Bollinger Bands. I can tell you strength, overbought, oversold. It will do moving averages. It will do like large triggers, small triggers, upper band, lower band, mid band, diversion, retrace diversion. Everything is doing. You don't have. You just have to look and enter at a right position. So a trader, the professional trader, does not like analyze and compute. Like now we have a powerful enough computers to compute, right? So use that to your advantage. Let the compute, and you just make that decision. All right, this is where I'm gonna enter. Right, that's it. No, trading is not allowed in TAFSA. Is not allowed in. So you need to pay your income taxes accordingly. But the idea is you have to understand if you're making money, what's the problem sharing a little bit with the government, right? So as long as you're making money, right? So that's so just open a day trading account on futures market for a couple of grand or $1,000, even 500, and then once you know how to trade, that's it. So taxes and fees and everything is secondary. As long as you're making money, you're up. Yes, Canadians can use Ninja Traders, but not. You can use the Ninja Trader platform, but you cannot use Ninja Trader as a broker. So you have to go with AMP Futures or GFF. I'll type. You can just search GFF brokers, and they are the brokers for that. How trading properly? Couple of months. That's all. It does not take longer than that. It depends on how much time you practice, how long you do all. So it's pretty straightforward from there. So to become a professional trader, it'll take you a year because you gotta go through all 4 cycles of earnings. You gotta do pretty much all of it to like interest rate. Quest Trade, no, it doesn't work. You can trade on Quest Trade and look at my Ninja Traders, but it doesn't work on Quest Trade. You can subscription is $10 a day Canadian, so 300 Canadian dollars. Is GFF? Yes, it's very same, but it's just futures market, futures of gold, index, commodities, forex, anything and everything. Futures market is, so it does it. So idea is, I think Quest Trade and Simple, CMC does some futures market, but I don't know how they operate. Maybe for Canadian, but S&P 500 futures and those you can do on global. If market is down, doesn't matter. We don't care. Market is up, market is down. As a day trader, your job is to just go in there, hit and run, make your few, and that's it. I don't know about that. We have our own system. We have our own full software. Try it for 14 days and see how you like it. Some people prefer different programs. I like to keep. When we developed the software, we just wanted one thing. It's got to be simple enough so a person who has never used a computer should be able to trade. So look at the trend, going long or short, and then make your trade, make a couple $100 and exit. So once you acquire that skill, so this is beginners too. No, yes, you can use trial. Just connect your real broker's account and do it. Like there's no limitation as long as you have a Ninja Trader real account, no problem. You can do it with real money. We're not gonna stop you. So that's absolutely you can. GFF doesn't cost $10 per day. It's our software that costs $10 per day. GFF is just a broker where they will let you trade. Like I think mini and micros. I have you can give them a call. They'll tell you exactly based on which clearing firm you have, whether you have. So there you go. Bitcoin price is going down. So you just predicted price will go down. Put a stop loss here, and that's my stop.
Order pending.
And this could be my. Now you can trail this. That okay. There you go. So GFF is not the software. Our software is our custom, and GFF they charge you per trade. What I've figured out from experience is micro. By the time you're done, is about $4 per trade, and I don't do any predictions. I don't do anything because we are day trade. Um, we're day trading, right? Day trading, we don't care how the market goes up. We just want to pick up within the market volatility, and that's it. Yeah, on the you gotta go into the landscape mode to see most likely um, my thing on the portrait mode. You won't be able to see, so try it in landscape mode. Right, so that's my stop loss, and that's what you can trail the stop loss. So nobody right now in the world can take this money from me, $25, and that's it. I'm trading Bitcoin's August contract, and that's it. So let me see what is happening at MES. There you go. See my stop loss right here.
Order pending.
Pick this up, put it here. I'll make some money. So it kind of gives you the trend, kind of gives you everything. Let me set up a couple of charts because some guys are having some issues. All right. So paste, and let's do it. Any other questions, guys? I have approximately another 10-15 minutes. I'll be here, then I gotta get going. So any questions regarding anything, I can help you out right now. So just let me know. I 77 so per trade, micro no more than $8, and mini no more than no micro no more than $4, and mini no more than $8, right? So about the right way to make entry. Okay, good. 1 second. I'm gonna come back just in 1 second.
Order filled.
There you go. So you can trade on MT4, but you have to use Ninja for the indicators. So simulated, just go simulated at the beginning. Just go simulated. You don't need to open live account to test it, right? All right. So what's the entry? So you look at right now 44.
Order filled.
So you're 44.89. So I would do a long trade from which let me open 1510. So this is your long entry. 44.85 is your entry point with the 3-point stop loss, because first retrace is coming. So swing, retrace is coming. So a trend changed at 1622, started to go up. Funded trading, yes, possible, but our software may not. 8.1 Ninja, our indicators may not work with funded traders, Apex. So they give promotions every day, once in a while. Like I can send you a code, 90% off affiliation code, but our software is Ninja Trader 8.1, so it may not work. So that's so your entry point would be right here, dear, right here. 44.85.50 is my entry. 3 point is stop loss if it goes against me, and that's it. Try our like choppy markets, or just simply try it. Until you try it, I cannot answer. So have it in front of you, then I will enter, like, be glad to help you out where the entry exit point. But send me a WhatsApp message. I'll reply back with instructions on how to download it, the 14-day trial. Try it on Ninja. If you like it, then subscribe. If you don't, there's no hard feelings. I'm not the only one selling software on the internet, right? But what I can assure you, it'll make your trading easier, especially for new traders, because a lot of people want to get into trading business or trading industry, and every single person has that one family member that says, hey, when you look at, hey, what do you do, he's like, I'm a trader. And but they don't want to share any information. They're like, oh, this is too complicated for you, you don't know, you're not going to be able to do it. So that's what we wanted to eliminate. We had a target in mind. If you've never traded before and you are just right click, simple. Right click on upper bands, the two lines that are going up. Right click it, go to properties, scroll down. You will see mid band line. Change it from 1 to 10. That's it. So it's make it much more visible on your screen, right? So you can change the parameters, no problem, right? So the idea was that we wanted to make this software so if you've never traded, you've never seen a trading screen, we're not going to overly complicate you. All these 10 indicators that are running live, you're just going to be able to do A, B, C, D. A, what my trend is. B, what type of trade. Long or short, simple. And my number 3, from where. That's it. And number D, stop loss and profit trail. That is it. Do not overcomplicate things, guys. Like trading, even after 10, 12, 13, 14 years, you're going to make mistakes if you're starting to analyze the data yourself. Yeah, that is fine. So you have created it, and now start with the login to our superareas.com, and you simply start with the videos. And once you're done a couple of videos, send me a message. My team is going to remotely log in and set up your software, and then you just start practicing. Where can you buy this software? We don't sell this software, we subscribe you. So you become our subscriber. And we charge you after 14-day free trial, $10 a day. $10 can get in. Of course, we give training all along. All the videos are there for you to learn. One second. Yes, training is included in the software. You can take care of it. So we're not a financial consultant. We are not advisors. We're not a broker or agent. We just tell you, like, we just show you how to trade, and we start with futures market. And once you're good at getting futures, you can pretty much do any market altogether. So, 653, 653. You don't have to open your own. Like, start, like, I'll send me a WhatsApp message on this number, and my team will respond you back with a bunch of instructions, and your 14-day trial account is open. So practice. So 069. So practice, and once you're ready after a month, we'll help you get you a broker's account, no problem. So yeah, my team is gonna then send you instructions on how to set up the trial program, and that's it. So each day, if you don't want a month, no, for 14 days it's free, and then you don't have to subscribe. And then if you want to continue, right? That's it. And if 1 month after month later you don't want to subscribe, you don't have to pay. There's no lifetime commitments that you must pay or anything like that. No, no, because it has to be fair for everybody. Right? And until you keep using the software, like it's a subscription of the software. It's like Microsoft Office 365. It's like any subscription app software. You keep using it, the indicators it's helping you make money, you keep subscribing. You feel like this tool is not helping you, you cancel the subscription. Like anything, it's like YouTube Premium or Spotify or Netflix. You stop watching. Yeah, yeah, it gets very expensive. So start with the trial first. Let's not get to buying a lifetime license. Try a couple of months. I will take some of your payment and apply towards the license. But um, like, because if you use it, if you bought the lifetime license and you didn't use it, I would feel bad. I would say, like, come on guys, why are you wasting your money, right? So what's the point of wasting your money? Just, can we take I have guys who have used trial software and made real money, and they sometimes they didn't subscribe, which I don't mind at all. If you, if you wait, like, trade 21 days and you make 2100 US dollars, I'm asking for 8 US dollars per day. So you'll be done in 2 days or 3 days, the whole subscription fee, guys. I That's why we kept it so it's affordable for everybody. Anybody can do it. Anybody can learn. Anybody can learn to trade. This is not rocket science. Anybody tells you otherwise, tell them to take a hike. Trading is for everybody. And we are in Canada, in Toronto. So the idea is, anybody tells you that you cannot trade, tell them to take a hike, man. Nobody was born to learn to trade from day one, right? What is this software? This is our own custom software written in Windows 10 11 for platform Ninja Trader. So this software is our custom Algo, AI based. They'll tell you, predict the direction of your instrument or asset. Right, so that's what the software is. $14-day trial free. Just send me the WhatsApp on the message, and then my team will send instructions, and you basically go ahead. How much must? $100 a day. If you have approximately 1,200 US dollars and trade micros, $100 a day is a joke. Like, it's absolutely a joke. Like, you'll make $100 with 2 points and you'll be done like this. The problem will happen then, once you're done your $100 target, you're gonna start chasing $200. You're gonna start chasing $300, and then you're like, so idea is $23 trillion are moved in this market, and you're gonna get greedy, and you're gonna lose discipline, and that is something I will not be able to do. Cannot teach you discipline, cannot teach you emotional control. I can give you the best powerful software, but you're on your own when it comes to discipline. Most traders are not successful because of lack of discipline. That's it. There's no magic. Machine ID is when you download Ninja Trader, right? Ninja Trader, go in there, download it, install it, and it's under help and about. I have the TikTok video, a few videos behind, and it's in the instructions. There is Ninja Machine ID, because Machine ID is what lets us know that, hey, you are you, and you're trying to connect to our server, and then we're gonna provide the data, right? So you're gonna need the Machine ID, otherwise the software won't work. So, yes, 1-647-228-069. So you have any friend, any member, anybody who's struggling to make ends meet, anybody like driving and working through, and they're like, oh, interest rate has gone up, and now how do I support my family? Give them this tool. Open up an account. Serve the humanity and go out there and show them how they can earn 20, 30, 40, 50, 100, $200 a day, right? With very little investment. Show me one business that does this. No, it's not a SIM number. It's an actual landline number with a phone. You can call me. Call me on this number. I'll reply back. Sign up me up. You need a machine ID and referral code. These two are important, right? So if you have to have the referral code and a machine ID. So that's important. So just follow the instructions. Just follow the instructions. So with this, everybody worries every time interest rate in Canada goes up that your mortgage is going to go up there. So once you have a skill, lifetime that can give you money, let interest rate go to 20%, guys. You will be able to come up with an extra disposable income. This is recession proof. The market going up, you make money. Market going down, you make money. There is no risk, very little investment. Like to trade, get into trading, you don't need a ton of money. Our subscription, few $100s in the broker account and start trading. You like S&P, you like Nasdaq, you like Forex, you like whatever. So again, when we designed it, $10 a day Canadian. So once you're done your trial period, it's $10 a day. That is all. So test it before you take on any of my claims that, hey, this is powerful. How much contract per it costs? See, if you're trading, so the way futures market works is, let me explain to you. Let me just finish that one install that I'm doing live along with this live. I'm doing a remote desktop with somebody. So 1 second, and I want to do, and then I'll explain you how easy it is that with little bit of investment you can start to make money. The whole concept of futures trading I'll explain shortly. Just gotta do one thing. Copy, paste, copy, paste, and his name is EL. So as long as you're disciplined, so you own time. Futures market is open 23 hours a day. You can work anywhere. If you're out of Ontario, trade German market. Sure, I'll come back to it. So I'll explain you how futures market works, and then I'll explain you how the RSI against the trend works. No problem. One second. Just gotta take care of this. Paste and then it's 14. 1 second, guys. Sorry, I just got a couple of IDs weren't working. So, yes, where can you trade? In Pakistan, look at our chart on Ninja Trader. Look at our software here and trade your Bitcoins on Binance or any app. So use this platform for indicator and trade anywhere in the world on any platform. So You can trade but India is so easy. Pakistan is banned on a lot of brokers, but India is not. So open up your account on ninjatrader.com, send them $100, and you have a live account. They love dealing with Indian customers because they love to trade, right? So there is the number is 1007. So August 19 is the expiry. All right. Would someone to no? You don't have to buy anything. Is it binary trading like crypto? Yeah, yeah. So let me explain you quickly. Now I'm pretty much free here, so I can show you right here. Done, 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 done. So I have customers from all over the world. Some German customers, some French customers. Okay, you don't need to. I'll explain 1 second. 30 more seconds, guys. I will explain you all your questions. Okay, so the way futures market works compared to stocks and options is you don't need a lot of capital to start trading. So futures market is pure speculation. Well, actually, every market is speculation. Whether you're dealing with stocks, futures, or options, in trading, all you're doing is simply predicting which way the price is going to go. If the price is going to go up or the price is going to go down. In options and futures, if you are dealing with Apple or Microsoft or PayPal or S&P 500, you need an actual cash value. So you want to trade 20 Apple stocks on options or stocks, you need full amount in your bank account. Benefit, you hold it until you want to sell it. So you kind of have some sort of ownership to it, but not in futures. Futures, all you need is $1,000 in your account, and you can trade S&P 500, which is valued at $4,500 right now. So if you were to trade S&P 500 options or that, you will need full amount in most cases. So in futures, you put $1,200 in your account, $1,000 US. A broker will let you trade one contract of E-mini for $110 in your account. So all they do is they lock $110 in your account and simply let you place a trade. So if you're doing a long trading, simply predict the price is going to go up and close the trade. If it goes up 1 point, you make $50. If it goes 1 point down, you lose $50. So in futures market, you don't need a lot of money in your account. So that's all you're doing. So in order to trade futures, you can start with as low as $100 in your account. Why am I making trading so hard? Dear, I don't think you've seen my software. A 75-year-old person can use my software. That's how much claim I have. Anybody who's never traded in the world can open up, just do 4 things, A, B, C, D. What type of trend is intraday trading? I can teach anybody, and just look at the colors, look at the chart, and you're trading. So anybody takes you to tradingview.com and try to confuse you, That's not so. Don't do that. Use what are the charts for India? These charts are uh, used right now for futures market. So anything Ninja Trader uses, you can use our charts and look at the thing. It's not specific to one particular instrument. Just send an email to Ninja Trader, and if your instrument or asset class is available, my software and the data from your exchange is coming, it will work. But test it for S&P 500, test my theories, test. That's all I'm asking you to do, right? So for those people who want to start as like a couple hundred bucks in your account, so do forex, do S&P, do gold, do anything. Just look at it. If the price is going up, take the right. If price is going down, go the right. So the question is coming, yes, that what is a strength trade? So there in our software, there is only one time if you, and that works on 30-20 chart. So there's one chart right now. You're looking at a 15-10 chart. So when you open the chart, there are 5 charts. You can look at the 30-20 chart, and when the strength has gone to overbought or oversold, and when it's at 100%, you can safely do a trade against the trend. That is the only time you should do a trade against the trend, when it's hitting an overbought, oversold area, right? So I have a video on TikTok that explains you exactly when to enter, and that's where you make your 4-5, because the retrace is due, pressure has to release, but let it get to 98, 99, 90, 100, because what worse it would do is just trail you. And then but with against the trend in RSI, what do I call it, relative strength index, do not put a stop loss, because it may go against you for some time and then it'll come back. So you like, that's level 2 of trading. Like at the beginner, just do mid band long, mid band short. You don't have to do anything. A, B, C. What is my trend? What type of trade? From where? My trend right now is green, so it's bullish. What type of trade? Of course, long, because it's going up, or buy, sell, rather than sell, buy. So a long trade. And from where? From midline. That is all you're following. Let me explain, even for those guys who want to make it a little bit more cleaner at the beginning. You can right click and you can remove. You can right click and you can remove every single type of, like you can hide this, you can hide this, right? So if you don't want to see anything, just look at this. Now there's only one line going, right? And all it is doing is you're just taking a, it's gonna update my thing. Commissions with Ninja, I think like $2. So call them and find out, right now free is S&P 500. So guys, it's been an hour and 33 minutes. Any other questions? Anything that you want to ask? So, or I gotta go, and then I'll reconnect tomorrow. And we'll try to do more of these in the. You can do S&P 500 US futures. That's in out of India. You can do forex. You can do crypto. You can do gold. You can do everything. This is not limited to what this is. Just say, I'm so and so, can you send me 14-day trial information? Yeah, no, the market is open 23 hours a day. So your volume for Canadian market is 8 a.m. Like US market is 8 a.m. to 11 a.m. You should be done mostly. Yeah, online, everything is recorded online. There is nothing to worry. Like we give you all the instructions. Like you just gotta follow 4 things: A, B, C, D. Trend. What type of trade? From where? Indian time? I don't know. Right now it's 7:34 Eastern in Toronto. So market is going to start moving around 11 p.m. because that's the night session for Asia and Europe, right? They're going to come and trade S&P. It fell down because the CPI data was not good. It's better, it's same as forecast, lower than forecast, but still higher than previous, right? So, and the unemployment, lots more claims came in. Yes, we do have a 2-week trial. Just send me a message and I will reply back with the actual information. No problem on how to set it up. Right? So, yeah, they can, but only issue is we give all the training that you require. No problem. Yeah, I probably got like tons of messages, and my team will reach out to you today. We'll give you a bunch of instructions. Just follow them, couple of videos. And I'll tell you one thing. What I've done in those instructions, there's when you get to step number 10 in my instruction, step number 10 will give you an error. And if you followed it, you will ask me a question that how do I fix this error? So that is deliberate, where you can't enter the website. The reason is then I know exactly who tried and who failed. If you got to number 9, you're gonna have to message me, right? So yeah, so in Pakistan, yes, they can trade on Binance crypto and look at the crypto futures price here. If they're trading the actual cash price, you can add the spread and just go from there, right? So yeah. Not at the beginning. Don't do spot trading. You just pick the trend trade for now. Just easy, simple. At the end of the day, why complicate things, right? If you want to make $400, $500, $600, if you just do one type of trade, mid-band trend trade, trend swing, any types of trade. So we don't use any candles, or we just work with bars and we go from there. So all right, guys, I'm gonna take a break right now. So I'll connect you guys tomorrow evening. And if any question, I'll leave my WhatsApp number right now. So, and you can reach me out if you have any questions, and we will connect again tomorrow. So thank you very much for tuning in, and hopefully that's exactly the code you were supposed to get. Did you send me, can you send me a message now about this? Yes. And I'll reply back with the correct answer. That's done for purpose. So there's a reason. So that way we know exactly what you have done. Perfect. So that is deliberate. So now you can log in and I'll activate your account. Start with the videos, and that's it. Start with the videos and I'll remotely log in and go from there. I'm gonna wait for you to enter the code, so I'll activate your account live here. If anybody out there pretending to be us and asking crypto, no man, we don't ask ever crypto. You transfer in Canada, PayPal in US, TransferWise in US, Canada, anywhere, but we'll never ask for crypto for you to send us something. So if I've given you the code, if you can sign up, then I can activate you right now. There you go. I saw your profile. Go back to home screen, type in your thing, click on the online course material, start with PDF 1 and start with first video and go from there. So that should be all right, guys. Take care. Enjoy. Bye.
आज 26 बंदे हुई है,
हल्का।
लेकिन ये आपने सारी सेटिंग कैसे की है यार? ये ऐड क्या भाई
बनता है ना टिकटॉक के अंदर, इस पे नहीं, इस पे बनता है
ऑनलाइन कंप्यूटर के ऊपर, लेकिन ये पोस्ट